my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Your girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about it, she gon' swear that God she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall.
Alright people, check this out. Chasing AJs. Oh, I can see a big one back there. Top water lure, just pop it back. You gotta keep moving it pretty quickly. They definitely don't like it when it stops. I don't know if you could see the fish, but he just smashed it. He's going back behind the boat. I think there's a shark behind him. I saw something bigger than he was. He's a big one, man. Woo! Yeah, there's like 5 of them underneath him, man. Oh, he let go. Man, he was big too. You see how big he was? He was a big old boy. I don't know how I fell off a single hook, but maybe I didn't get a really good hook set. I could try it again. Watch this. I'm gonna cast on this side. They're right on it. They're right on it. Oh, come on. They're coming.
Cool. Get him?
Yeah. Ah, this sumbitch is huge. Oh, no, no, no. This one might be a while. These things pretty well known for their stopping power. And this old donkey is just hulsing it. Golly. It's always a battle. Oh, then the sumbitch wants to go the opposite way. Oh man, I'm gonna have to run y'all's way. Unless he turns. If you ever caught an amberjack, they're fun about the first 2 or 3 times. And after that, it's basically like reeling in Godzilla. If I can gain on him. Wish a giant great white would come over here and eat him. Somebody help me with this big bitch. Help. Oh shit, son.
What it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you. No. Okay.
Yeah. Big ol' amberjack. Probably all full of worms. Gave me a hell of a fight though. Oh! Almost went with him. Well, that was fun.
Got picked up real quick. You said just touched the water, huh?
I literally put it in a, tossed it and put it in a rod holder.
Always not a bad idea when you're fishing for bait. Go ahead and throw one out the back, see what you can pick up.
If you want, you can bring in that sabiki rig right there for me. There he is.
Hit it up with a king mackerel.
King, look at all the fish on. Dude, I can't believe the king ate that fast. I wish I brought trolling rods now.
King mackerel. And George.
Excuse me.
On a fluoro leader with a circle hook. On a sardine. Perfect eating size. I watched the bait bouncing, put the bail open, and then locked the bail on his ass. The kid was gone. That feels like an amberjack.
He probably got down there pretty good with that wire in his face.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I'm gonna try to get angler in the water. Yay! Reef donkey. Nice one right there.
You ain't gotta ask.
On it.
Yeah.
Top water.
Top water, AJ.
We all think George is crazy till he's not. Yep, no sea bass.
That's a big boy there.
I'm fly as hell. Yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP.
There he is.
Tell Al, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ.
There you go, big old noggin. Called a reef donkey.
Like I'm coming out of Ivy, please. My shot across between CP3 and then YPD. Yeah, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, no. Okay, okay.